I've spent almost a year learning Oracle FCCS. But interviews still aren't going the way I expected.
You don't look happy today. Another interview?
Yes, my fourth Oracle FCCS interview in the last 2 months.
How did it go?
Not good. I answered almost every theoretical question. I know the dimensions, consolidation process, ownership management, currency translation, and intercompany eliminations. I've watched countless YouTube videos and read Oracle documentation several times.
Then what happened?
The interviewer hardly asked theory. He kept asking project-based questions.
Like what?
Questions like, how did you design the entity hierarchy? How did you migrate metadata? How did you troubleshoot slow consolidation? They asked how I configured ownership management, how I reconciled FCCS with ERP data, and how I solved production issues. I just froze. How do we handle the data maps?
Those are very common implementation questions.
That's exactly my problem. Documentation explains what a feature does, but it doesn't explain how consultants actually use it in real projects. For example, I know what intercompany matching is, but I don't know how companies configure it, what issues occur, or how consultants investigate them. Goes a long way.
That's because documentation teaches features. Projects teach experience. Have you ever created a complete FCCS application from scratch?
No.
Configured dimensions?
No.
Loaded metadata?
No.
Created data forms?
No.
Configured consolidation settings?
No.
Written calculation manager rules?
Only copied examples.
Build data integration pipelines?
No.
Worked on production support tickets?
No.
That's why interviewers can tell the difference within a few minutes. Knowing every menu option is different from knowing how to solve a customer's business problem.
But how do I gain that experience without being on a project? I don't even know what sequence to follow. There are so many moving parts.
Don't stop at reading documentation. Open an Oracle FCCS application, implement every concept yourself. Create multiple legal entities, load data in different currencies, run consolidations, then intentionally break the setup and fix the issue yourself. That's where real learning begins. That's how consultants build confidence. I joined professional Oracle FCCS training. It covered implementation and support. For practical experience, not just theory, you should explore BS training.
I think that's exactly what I'm missing. I've learned the features.
But now I need to learn how consultants use them in
Thanks,
real...
Meera. I know what my next Meera. I think that's exactly what I'm missing. I've spent months learning features, but now I realize real business problems.
Theory builds the foundation.
Thanks, Meera. Thanks, Meera.
Success in Oracle FCCS doesn't come from theory alone. It comes from understanding how real consign solutions solve business challenges and deliver successful implementations.